Hi, I'm Brian Qualls. I'm here to present to you the updated version of the Illumi-Cup from Unique Lighting Systems. Part number is ILCP-LED. Everything you see here on the table is what's included in that part number: the outer sleeve, the fixture itself, which is an integrated LED, the brass ball catch, the flagpole, flag, and then 75 feet of low voltage wire. At the end of each of these cables is a waterproof quick connect for ease of maintenance. So first I want to talk about the sleeve. This one has been specially designed and is patented to fit this fixture specifically in the means of using it for synthetic turf. So we know that when we place these in turf, we want that turf to roll right up to the top of the fixture and then so that way we have an unobstructed putting surface all the way to the cup. To help us be able to set these in place, we have created on the bottom of the fixture itself our stepped adjustment heights, which include 4 different heights as you go into the sleeve. So the sleeve can be set at pretty much any height, and then as you come through, you have different levels to rotate and set the height of this fixture from lowest to highest in 4 different settings. The other great feature about this fixture is that it's specifically designed to give you the brightest amount of light output as possible. So the end of our ball catch has notches. No matter where you place this ball catch, it will never obstruct the light view coming out of the fixture itself. Please visit our website at www.uniquelighting.com for more information. Thanks for watching.